Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy Windows 10 machine with Autopilot. So there's three steps within Autopilot. First, you need to create an Autopilot profiles, and then you assign Autopilot profiles to the machine, and then you ship machines to users. So the first thing we're going to do is create Autopilot profile. I'm going to log into my Azure and Intune. Then I go to Intune here. Under Intune, there's the device enrollment. Then I go to Windows, Windows enrollment. Under Windows enrollment, you can create deploy profiles. I'm going to call this Autopilot demo. It's going to be a user driven. I'm going to have it joined to Active Directory, Azure Active Directory. I'm going to configure it. I want to hide EULA. Privacy setting, I want to hide that. User account type, I want to make this user's administrator. Then I click save. Then I click create. Then I go back into devices. I recently imported my test device, so I'm going to delete it and re-import it again. I'm going to click delete. Also, I need to go to the store for business. I go to manage. Go to devices. So under my Microsoft Store for Business account, I don't have any machines. Under OEM, if you purchase devices through your vendor, they can import this device hardware for you. It would be under OEM. Just says Lenovo or Dell. If you give them access to import devices, they should be able to import them here. You don't have to do You don't have to manually import the device. So the next thing I'm going to do is import a device. So to import a device, I need to run some PowerShell script on my Windows 10 machine. So I have this Windows 10 machine here. I'm going to run PowerShell. I'm going to run as admin. I'm going to type in install dash script dash name space get dash Windows Autopilot info and hit enter. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is set the policy execution to unrestricted. Yes, confirm. The next command line is to get the output file. I'm going to run get dash Windows Autopilot info that's ps1 output file. I'm going to put it in, let's see if I have it. Let's go to C drive here. Call it temp. Just going to call it Autopilot. Create a folder called Autopilot. Output file name. Just going to call C drive temp. I'm sorry, it's the Autopilot. AUTO Autopilot slash. Just call it test. .csv. So it's going to create the CSV file with all the hardware information. Let's go to the Autopilot folder. there's the CSV file. I'm going to copy this to one of my server. Okay. Let's see. I think I'm going to put it somewhere else. Okay. Let me put in domain controller. DC 2012. Hmm. Gonna put it here. Actually, I'm gonna copy the whole folder. Just gonna put it here. Now I'm going back to my main machine. I'm gonna import the hardware. It should be on my D drive here. Autopilot. There it goes. We're gonna add a device. We're gonna browse to D drive. Choose the CSV file. We're gonna call this test group. We'll just call it demo. Here's my virtual machine. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna assign the profiles to this machine by check this box and then click Autopilot here. I'm gonna assign the apply Autopilot demo. So that's it. That's all you have to do to create a profile, import machine hardware, and then apply Autopilot to it. So go back to my test machine here. I'm going to run a sysprep. I'm going to reseal this machine. It's going to reboot. Booting up. All right, it's going to take a few more minutes here. I'm just going to, never mind, I thought I was going to pause the recording. Yeah, I guess it's going to take a while. I'm going to pause the recording and then come back to it. All right, look like it came up. So this is what the user will see. I'm going to click on yes for to confirm the location. Keyboard. We're going to skip this screen. Going to click accept. I'm going to log in with my credential. Let me see, I forgot the test account that I'm going to log in with. I think it's test 3. Let me confirm that for sure. Make sure I have all the license. Okay, it's test 3. I go back to the test machine. Test 3. Enter. Enter the password. Gonna accept. Okay, now I can go back to the Azure portal and see if the machine shows up. If I go to devices, Oops. Go to Azure. Go to devices. There's my test machine. That's it. That's how you deploy Windows 10 using Autopilot. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and have a good day. Thank you.